this is the Downy fabric softener dispenser ball. Comes in a pack of 3, but I'm using one of them right now. So straightforward and familiar. This is meant for washers without a working fabric softener dispenser like myself. My dispenser won't empty, so my washer's fine. So I was looking for another solution rather than replacing the machine. You fill it at the top, pull the lid, and then toss it in the laundry. Okay, there are 3 settings here. If you have a medium load, a large load, or an extra large load, however much detergent you want to use, it's going to be released during the rinse cycle. Why I always like these, very easy to use. No timing the rinse cycle, nothing like that. So helpful if your washer is not properly draining the fabric softener. Like my case, it's not draining in the drawer, and I wanted a workaround, but simple design, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's so convenient. So if your washer doesn't reliably dispense the softener, this gets the job done with minimal effort. Highly recommend this Downy ball.